This 12-minute home ab workout will help you get ripped. Now is not the time to bum around. You have to keep on working out if you want to have a summer body, so that anytime you can flaunt them once the quarantine period is over. Fortunately, ab workouts are some of the easiest exercises to incorporate in your routine without going to the gym. Many of the most effective ab exercises utilize only your body weight and require no equipment whatsoever, such as basic planks and high knees. We will be going through them one by one, so make sure to keep watching. But most importantly, this ab workout of ours can be done in just 12 minutes. We've piqued your interest, haven't we? Let's take a look at these exercises then. 1 minute each, 2 rounds. Number 1. Abdominal Crunch. Abdominal crunches have been one of the pillars of ab workouts for decades now. They target the rectus abdominis, which is the six-pack muscle that's located along the front of the torso. As such, building this muscle is one of the most essential parts of developing your core muscles for performance and stability. After all, a strong back and abs are the foundation of all your daily movements and even sports performance. Number 2. Basic plank. Planks are one of the most common exercises today. It's also the type of exercise that everyone should be performing, as it doesn't just help achieve ripped abs, but also helps strengthen and tone your shoulders, back, thighs, and butt. Since this routine will only be 12 minutes long, 2 rounds of basic planks will do. For a more advanced ab workout, perform other plank variations. Number 3. High knee twist. High knee twists are an intensive cardio type of ab exercise, the standing version. This variation of high knees is performed to work harder your abdominal muscles, especially the obliques, as you will need to twist your torso side to side. High knee twists don't just target abs, but also help burn tons of calories due to its high intensity and the massive muscles involved in the movement. Number 4. Side-lying leg lifts. While more commonly known as a Pilates move, side leg lifts are also used by those at a more advanced fitness level. You can perform it anywhere without any equipment, while also simultaneously working your core and legs. Side leg lifts engage your inner thighs and butt, and at the same time pulling in your abdominal muscles, developing core strength and improving balance. Number 5. Hand walkouts. Hand walkouts are similar to ab wheel rollouts. However, it doesn't require equipment. Its lowering portion is much slower and more controlled than using an ab wheel. Walkouts are considered self-limiting since you can only really walk out as far as your core can control. This way, you aren't going to go beyond your level of capability. Number 6. V-ups. V-ups work at targeting all your ab muscles, including your obliques and lower abs. It's a more advanced form of most ab workouts, challenging your abs, core, back, and flexibility. Consider touching your toes in the V-ups exercises. If you can't, then you need to stretch more to improve your flexibility. So, are you feeling like exercising now? Update us on your progress later, alright? Just comment below.
If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more interesting facts on the human body, subscribe to the channel.